So eventually we found a drone delivery station. We searched quite a bit. We walked a complete park already a couple of days ago where it was supposed to be. We couldn't find one, and now a friend of us directed us to this station and we eventually found it. Doesn't look very spectacular and also already like a little bit old, like for sure not like brand new, so it's been around for a while. And here you have a sign where you have a QR code that you can scan, and then you can pick from one of those shops that are participating in the drone delivery. And if we're taking a closer look on the back, we can actually see this little wind station here, weather station, and a little dome. Maybe that's for additional navigation for the drone, not sure about that, but you can definitely see a wind direction and wind speed meter, so most likely the drone will check the wind speeds and everything on destination and departure if it's actually feasible to fly. And then you have those boxes right here next to it on this side and over here as well. And if you take a look in there, it's for the boxes once you're done. Like the delivery will be in a special box that can attach to the drone. And we can take a quick look inside here. Let's see. There you can see the boxes folded down. So you're supposed to fold them, put them in here so they can be recycled and potentially reused. So let's wait. We ordered already. Took like more like close to 30 minutes delivery time, so not incredible fast. Most likely a human driver on an e-scooter would be faster, but let's see how long it takes. And also the shop is actually quite a bit away, so it's not just like in the shopping mall like down there or something. It's actually a train station. It's actually a couple of streets away, so I assume like something like 1 to 2 kilometers away. So let's see.
已打开，请尽快取出餐箱，并将餐箱放入空投柜旁的回收处。
So we just received our drone delivery. It's 2 ice creams and it's actually quite heavy. It's about 30 degrees outside, so getting an ice cream delivered timely with the drone is amazing. And this is, I mean, if I have to estimate, I would say 2 kg at least. Completely frozen, nothing happened, and it's all packaged in a isolated bag, and also there is like 5 bags of dry. Actual, definitely an amazing service.